Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a little project I've been working on called the AI Tech Pack Generator. It helps you make tech packs that look like this for your production needs. I decided to make this tool because over the last couple of years, I've actually been helping brands find factories in Vietnam. And building tech packs has always been a huge problem for us. So, as someone who studied computer science in school, I decided to tinker around with AI and see if I can build an AI tech pack generator. And so far, it looks like I got something that is usable by a lot of people. So, I want to share it to you, and hopefully, it will help you out with your brand or your project. Now, I'm always taking feedback. So, after this video, feel free to drop some comments below on what you would like to see and some recommendations on what we can do better. All right, let's get started. So first thing you need is some reference images. It requires a front image, and if you do have it, you should include a back image as well. The more data, the better. So in the additional information section, I'm going to be writing out all the details that I want to communicate to the generator that are not included in my image. Some of these details may include the fabric weight. For example, I'm going to be using 400 GSM for this hoodie. Additionally, you want to include the fabric type. Today we're going to do 80% cotton and 20% polyester because that's what Essentials use. And then we're also going to be using rubber printing as well. Once you have all that information selected, just click generate. Okay, looks like the tech pack is done generating. Now let's check out each section. We have a tech pack summary, we have a flat sketch for your sample production, we have the flat sketch measurements, we also have the BOM, which lists out all of the material that you need, cost sheet as well, which estimates the cost to produce. We also give you a PDF and Excel sheet as well for your, editing needs and stuff. Now I want to highlight my favorite part of the tech pack, which is the placement guide. The placement guide is super cool because what it does is that we take your image and we actually annotate all the important notes and details directly on that image. And this is super useful because it will allow your factories to understand what product you're trying to make really quickly without having to force them to read the entire tech pack right away. Let's say you want to fine tune your data and use a specific size chart. Well, you can do that with our update function. As you can see here, I'm typing in custom values and I just click update and the tech pack gets updated. Additionally, I can even ask the AI to make changes, overall changes, by using the edit generation button. Now, what this edit generation button does is that you can give it a prompt. For example, this prompt, I'm going to tell the AI to make me, this hoodie, but format in a way, in like a sizing way that's good for big and tall. So I did that, and pretty much what it did was I increased the sizing of everything for me. And this concludes the tour of the AI Tech Pack Generator. If you like what you see, you can always download a PDF or Excel sheet for a small fee. And also something to note is that currently right now, this AI Tech Pack Generator works best for tops like hoodies and t-shirts and some jackets, but something we're working on right now is expanding those styles. So you can test on like shorts and jeans and pajamas. Some of our generations may be limited with those styles, but it should work. And next week's update, we have a very exciting feature that will allow us to accommodate 100 more styles. So I'm very excited to roll that out and see what you guys think. Take care. Bye bye.